To Jenny, love mommy and daddy. Go ahead. Go nuts. Here.
I can really do this? You gonna really let me open it?
Do it. Only one tonight. Do it. Go on. Just rip it. You want some help? There you go. Okay. Here. Let's see, where's the edge? Here we go. There you go. Pull this. Pull. Pull. Okay. There you go. That's it. Keep going. Now tear it apart. What could it be? What could it be? What could it be? What could it... Who is it? What is it? What is... Who could it possibly be? Who could it be, Jenny? Who could it be? What? Oh, man.
Problems here?
Just gotta really fasten down in here. Oh, man. They sure don't want you getting him out of here before Christmas, that's for sure.
Jenny, yuck. Good girl. I love you.
Hi, Jenny.
Who is that?
Who is that? Jenny, who's that? Who is that? Who is that? Oh, check his mouth. Who is that? Jenny, who is that?
Ooh, a box. Need a box. Oh boy.
Hey, Jenny! What is my name? What's my name?
Dang it back, Mom.
What's his name? Who is that? You can take him to bed with you tonight if you want. Elmo, yeah. Say that to the camera. Say it to the camera.
Who do you got?
Who is that?
Can I see him?
Show me the camera.
Hold him up.
See?
Who is that?
Hi, my name is Elmo. Is that Elmo? Daddy, oh, he's so soft. Mommy. Uh-oh. Careful. Here we go. Look, there's Elmo. Elmo. You don't want Elmo? Elmo.
Can I see Elmo? Give Elmo a kiss.
Look. Where are we going? No. No. Elmo's right there. We don't need to see him on TV. Elmo's right here. Elmo's not on TV. It's not on TV.
Jenny, get Elmo.
Look at Elmo. Elmo.
Yes.
We're not watching TV. You want to read the book? Read the book? Yeah, let's sit with Elmo. Read it with Elmo. What's that? Good. There are the two kittens. The two cats. Two cats. There's a comb and a brush, a bowl full of mush, and a quiet old lady who's whispering hush. Good night, Moon.
Mommy, Jenny.
Good night, Moon.
Jenny,
Hey, Elmo.
look at me.
Elmo. Elmo.
Hi. Look, Mommy. Hi, Jenny.
Oh, hi, cow. We're saying good night to cow.
Oh.
Good night, cow. What else we got? Good night, good night, clocks. Good night, socks. Good night, little house. Good night, mouse. Good night, comb. Good night, brush. Hey, Daddy, can I have a kiss? Mwah! Can I have a kiss? Daddy, can I have a kiss? Tickle, tickle, tickle.
Give Elmo a kiss.
Give Elmo a kiss. Hey! Don't you like Elmo? Nice stars. Sleeping. Night mush. Night brush.
Mommy.
Night clocks. Night socks. I love you, Elmo. You and Jenny. Jenny's in bad mood. You like Elmo.
Wonder where she gets that from.
What?
Her bad moods.
When she's tired?
Mm-hmm.
Not from my side of the family. She gets the terrible waking up from my side of the family.
Give Elmo a kiss, Mommy.
Mwah! Can you give Elmo a kiss? Give Elmo a kiss? Daddy, I came a long way to see you. Hey, what's the matter? Don't you like Elmo? Huh? It's Elmo. That's the real Elmo. Look, he's the real Elmo. Look, see, he sits up. Look, he sits up by himself. Hush, hush, hush. Bye, Moon. Night, Moon. Night, Moon. Night, Moon. Night, hot. Night, fire. Night, hot, fire. Hot. Hot. Night, Moon. Night, cow. Hi, hot. Hi, hot. Hi, hot. You sleepy tired? Ready to go night-night?
Night-night, Jenny.
Night-night, Jenny. You want to take Elmo to night-night with you? Huh?